Kapag baba, all boarding na kami, oh. Ayan, oh. Yan ang aeroplano ko. Yan ang aeroplano sa sasakyan ko. Mga ka-farmer. Manila muna tayo. Ayan. Okay, boarding na. Ito, masok tayo. Ayan. May bagong arrival. Yung Cebu Pack.
February, Italy on board Philippine Airlines Flight PRC2818 bound for Manila. Our heart contains our Mabuhay mileage from taking the passengers to our bag carrier. Dear all passengers, occupy your side seats for the duration of the flight. If you are seated in an exit row, you are required by civil aviation regulations to read the passenger briefing card. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including vaping, is not allowed. If you need to repeat that signal farmer cabin for now, we want to ensure the comfort and safety of all passengers, including those with special needs. If you require any assistance during the flight, please feel free to inform our cabin crew. Allow the privilege to be of service to you.
The person pay back please is other passengers sila. Is ang other natin please is on the lever before you
Ayan, arrival area sa Manila International Airport. Just arrived mga ka-farmer. Bisita lang natin. May sila ko. Love. Ayan. Ito mga ka-farmer. Okay. And love Philippines. Okay, so yan mga dito na nakadating ng mga ka-farmer dito. Ang ka-farmer ninyo nasa Manila International Airport arrival. So ito yung kanilang kargahanan ng mga baggage. Ayan, pero wala pang laman. Andar na. Yan, papasok na naman doon. Okay. Yan, may mga bagahe na mga ka-farmer. Yan sila nakahintay para maglabas ang bagahe nila. Okay. Ayan. Tapos sa unahan. Okay, yan sila. Pa-exit na ako. Pa-exit na. Pa-exit na mga ka-farmer. Ito, pag-exit mo yan, meron silang tindahan. Ito. Yan, foreign exchange. Okay. So, baggage porter services. Yan, ito na ang labas na area. Mga ka-farmer. Ito na ang labasan, no. Ayan, sa ilalim waiting naman sasakyan dito. Ayan. Okay, daming mga pasahero. Ito yun. Okay. Yan. Ito ang arrival. Okay. Yan. Sige. So, hintayin ako ngayon ng sundo ko. Mga farmer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow my page. Thank you.